This is an AAC or Autoclave Aerated Concrete by Lightstrong. It is a European technology but locally manufactured here in Cebu. Now, I will show you kung unsay mga benefits ani ug nganong kinahanglan ka mo gamit og AAC block by Lightstrong. It's known for its durability and resilient. So giunsa man nila pagpalig-on o pag-durable sa ilahang AAC blocks. This is an example of an autoclave technology. Giluto diha ang AAC block into 200 degrees para ma-reach niya ang 500 to 700 PSI para mulig-on ug mugahi gyud ang iyahang AAC block. This is an example of an AAC block by Lightstrong, no? So it weighs 30% of the mass concrete. So gaan kay siya. Mulutaw ra gyud siya sa tubig. So check this out. So, yun na siya kagaan. Mulutaw ra siya sa tubig. Lightstrong, it's known for its fire resistant. So, usa ni siya ka-example nga building nga ilang gisuwayan og sunog and it can resist a minimum of 4 hours nga dili mo penetrate dayon ang iyahang kainit. Take note, AAC blocks by Lightstrong is known for its earthquake resistance. So, makaresist siya into 7 to 8 magnitude nga earthquake. So, this is an example of a shaking table. So, ari diri nila mahibaw-an kung unsa yung kalig-on ang structure kung mogamit ka og AAC block. By using Lightstrong AAC block as a smart choice of your constructions, dili lang owners ang makabenepisyo, even contractors, developers, and designers also.